Okay, so we need to raise both sides by a power of the reciprocal, 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2. Then you get x plus 5. Okay, but because if that number right there is even, you have to make sure you say the other side is plus or minus of, right, the opposite operation. In here it's the power of, right, the exponent of half. So don't forget the plus minus, and 4 is 2 squared here. So you get x plus 5 is equal to plus or minus 2 times 3 over 2, right, is going to be 2 to the power of 3. So that's 8. Okay, so you have 8 and minus 8. And we're going to subtract both sides by 5. So it's that and that. So this, or 13.